What are Telegram mini blum code? Hey guys, in this video, I will tell you what are Telegram mini blum code. Alright, so let's begin. Telegram mini blum codes refer to short verification codes or passcodes sent via the Telegram app, typically used for security purposes such as authentication or account verification. These codes are a type of one-time password that Telegram sends to users during sign-in or certain sensitive actions to ensure the identity of the user. The codes are temporary, and once used or after a short time, they expire for security reasons. Telegram employs this method to enhance privacy and protect against unauthorized access. These codes are either received through Telegram itself or in cases where the user is locked out of the app through a linked phone number. Their goal is to keep user accounts secure while maintaining a smooth user experience. So that's all for this video. Consider subscribing if you find it helpful, and I'll see you in the next one. Thanks.